happening, YouTube? You're currently joining me on a pretty grey Sunday. I've just got some stuff I need to do. I fancied making a video, so you're coming with me to do them. I'm currently sat outside Halfords because I had to buy one of these. The one in the car decided to pack up the other day, and there's something coming soon that me and Tony are going to be doing where I'm definitely going to need this. So I thought, best get a new one, get it fitted. I'll fit that later because I'm going to Tony's later. He's doing some mad stuff with his car. But first, I've got something to talk to you about. This is exciting. What this is something that me and Tony have come up with and what we're going to be doing. On the 14th of December, me and Tony are taking a road trip. Where to, I hear you ask? Well, that's the thing. We don't actually know yet. The idea behind the design is it's a dartboard in the shape of the UK. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be chucking a dart at a map of the UK. Wherever it lands, we're going to drive. Then when we get there, we'll you know, see what's about, see some shit, throw it out again, set off, and so on. We're going to be doing this for 3 days. We're setting off on the Friday, and then wherever we are on the Monday, we're just going to head home. We're staying off motorways because motorways are boring. It's just going to be a sick time. It's going to be quite a challenge for me. We're making videos because the way I normally make my videos is like, I'll have an idea in my head what I want my video to look like what I'm going to be doing each stage, and then when I'm editing I can, whatever's in here, make that look as much like that, you know what I mean? But obviously with this, we're not going to know what we're doing, we don't know where we're going, we don't know what's going to happen, so it's going to be a really fun challenge. We have a lot of things that we need to do for it, to get ready for it, but what we don't want, and what we said we didn't want from the start, is a plan. Like, we don't want to know what we're doing, we just want to see what happens, sort of thing. Look at it, road trip, watch out for it. Is it weird that I kind of want one of the cars to break down? Probably. Funny, wasn't it? So it's a couple hours later since I last spoke to you. I got a bit lost down the YouTube rabbit hole, but I got out, I'm alright, it's fine. I'm gonna go up to Tony now, see what he's been up to, see what he's doing, and fit me new cigarette lighter thing. I'll see you up there. Tony's got some new shiny bits for his car. Hello. If you want to see said shiny bits in full, get over onto Tony's channel, the link will be in the description. You know how it is. So you're going to be busy fitting that, aren't you?
Yeah, that's going to be in there. And have a few hidden extras, gems, as well, to be filming.
Get your bloody selves over to that bloody channel, will you? I want your car. Oh, Tony, mate, you put your sticker on upside down.
Yeah, I'm at it.
Oh, no. Look at this, eh? Hey, are you that bald car guy?
Oh, I think, yeah.
Dude, you're sick. Do you reckon they're best friends? I reckon they are.
Like kids.
Yeah. So, as I said earlier, I've got my new 12 volt thing that I'm going to have to do it fitting. Never done it before, but hopefully it's just a plug and play job. I need to stop pissing about and try and pulling it off my fingers and actually get something that's going to help me get this off. so before I start ripping this apart, I just want to double check that it's actually 100% definitely not working. So I've got my trusty little USB that should have a blue light on it if it does work. There's definitely no blue light on there, is there? So it's coming out. So here's the old one. I can't actually see anything wrong with it. Right. Bit crusty there, but that's about it. I mean, already these are quite a bit different. You've got your spade connectors there, but what the fuck are they for? Is that a little LED on it or something? We've come up with a plan, yeah. So this is the old one, right? The new one is slightly bigger. So we thought, because on the new one it's got like an LED and stuff on it, and we don't need that. We thought if we took the green housing off, we can slide the old orange one over the new one, but it's too big and it won't fit in. And also the connectors on the bottom are a little different, like they're around the edge, and this one they're a bit closer and a bit weird. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have a do at wiring. I'm gonna cut these two wires, put some connectors on, and hopefully it'll work, because this will be a necessary piece for the Look at It road trip. So if I can't have this, I can't charge my phone, then I'll get lost, and we don't want that. These are your wires for the cigarette lighter, and I've had to cut the plug off because it doesn't match up. Fuck off. I've had to cut the old plug off because it doesn't match up with the new pins. Like they're in a different shape, they're in a different place. And I've put spade connectors on both wires to connect the new cigarette lighter. It's a moment of truth, I think. Put that there. And we have a blue light. I do a bit of wiring at work, but I fucking hate it. And I only dip my toe, like, not doing no mental, I just don't like it. But I'm actually genuinely impressed with myself. So I've decided, right, it's working, and I could just leave it at that, but I'm not going to, because I want to use that new housing, and I want it to light up. Why the fuck not? So I'm going to file it down, because it is too big to get in the centre console. So I'm going to file it down and I'm going to make it fit. I'm accepting the challenge. So she is in the hoil. Took a bit more filing down than I thought, but it got there. The next step is going to... The next step is going to be wiring the LED up so that it works. So it's in, it's wired up, and it's the moment of truth. Here's what it is. You can actually, you can hardly even see it when it's like in though, but it's pretty fucking cool, pretty happy with myself. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Right, so I'm going to leave it there. I know that that's not some fucking big major job, but I've never done anything like that on my own before. So it felt good that I did it. So I'm proud of myself. Oh, before I go, toast it. Show the people what you've been up to, like.
We've been chucking this in.
Shiny bits.
And I found a silver bit of paint somewhere.
I'm sure it was there.
So yeah.
So you've been doing engine bay things?
Yeah, we got engine bay things on, and I'm gonna make things gold again.
So there you have it. If you want to see that full video, go over to
Hello, I'm running away.
Go over to Tonester's channel. Link in the description. Oh, it's been a bit of a different one today, but it's been fun. I've enjoyed it. So that being said, I shall see thee on the next one. Shiny.